Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a K-pop related video, and this is an unboxing of BTS's newest release called BE. And I just noticed that I have a little dent here. Well, it's not even a dent, it's like a bit of a damage, and I wasn't looking. I'm sorry. So this album, let me tell you a little bit about it while I go ahead and take out the cello. So I got this at JB Hi-Fi, and this was released a good 8 days before I was able to get it. Well, 7 days, because I got this yesterday. This was released November 20th, and it wasn't on JB Hi-Fi until a few days later. So I decided to go ahead and wait until Black Friday because the whole shop was having a big discount for Black Friday, and I got this for 20% off. It retails for about $100 really, and I got it for 80 something, and I'm glad that I waited. They still had a lot of stocks left, but this is the one I got, and it's really banged up, as you can see there. I didn't notice that when I was getting this because I was pretty excited. But before I do that, let me go ahead and show you a little bit. It's really hard to see, but there's a little embossing. And it's in English, so that's cute. So the album is called BE. So it has a magnetic closure, and it opens like a box. And you have your album. Wow, this is not... Okay, this got crushed, but that's okay. So you have the book, the photo book. You have the making photo book, and then this is the CD, and it's very pretty. I like this. This is very nice. And then you can put postcards in here, which are here, and we'll go through that later. And I believe this is the poster sized lyrics on here. And it looks handwritten, which is very pretty, and that's the kind of aesthetic that I am into right now. So I'm very glad to have this, and I'm glad that they got to decide it this way. And the thing about this album is that the members actually participated very strongly in making this album. And at the back of this lyrics poster is their thanks to, so this is their messages. And I think there's another photo here. So that is what is at the back of the lyrics poster. So this is something new. I haven't seen them, at least in the time that I've been ARMY, I haven't seen them do a lyrics in a poster. So that is really cute. And then at the bottom of the box, the very last thing is the poster itself. This is very good quality material, glossy, and I'm just going to show you a little bit because it's giant poster. It is very nice. It's laminated. It looks to be that JK is taking the photo. So let's fold that up, and then let's go through the goodies first. So you have a Polaroid. It says life goes on, and I think that matches the front of the box. So I think it matches this first line. And then let's take a look at the photo cards. So we have 8 photo cards. I'm gonna show you all of them. One for each member, and then a group shot. They have much on the back. Okay, so the group one is black, and the ones on the couches, the individual ones, are in white, and the font of the title of the album, BE, is different. And I think this is the first time that I've gotten 7 photo cards in one album. So for $100, that's not too bad if you get all of those. And I think everybody gets the exact same photo cards. Now these are the postcards, and it has nothing on the back, but this is very thick cardstock material. It's matte. And I think that if you'd like, you can actually pin this to a line and put it on your wall, and your bedroom wall as well. But one of the things that you can do is if you take this and then you can put it in here, I believe. And then you can have that little book. Can it stand? It won't close up like properly. I believe it will need magnetic closure of some sort, or any closure, because it doesn't close entirely, but it does stand up on its own if you go like that. And so you can put this on your table if you would like. All right, what else have we got? Okay, now we're going into the books. So let's start with the making book. Okay, so this is the making book, and this is in textured paper. So these are the members, and you have notes here. Unfortunately, I couldn't read them, but I think that's a really nice touch. So they're using a lot of out of focus photos aesthetically, I believe, to just invoke the feeling that this is very organic, and I'm getting that feeling right now. It's very effective. Okay, and then the last one is the actual photo book, and I've heard a lot of very good things about this. And it's actually 2 books in one, because this is a special part, and I'll tell you why that's special in a bit. So once again, this is a textured material similar to this, so they have the same paper that they used, but the insides are thicker. Actually, this side is this paper is thicker. It's just a blank paper, and then you have an overlay. So this is vellum. And then at the bottom, it says, "Let me fly to my room, get me out of my blues, and now I'm feeling brand new." And they start off with this photo, which is very good. Okay, so this is very similar to the photo cards, and so it matches. That is just genius. So, like, compared with the making book, this feels more refined, while the making book feels more organic. And I believe that that is exactly the vibe that they're going for. The photo book aesthetic game of this particular book is very, very high. I am very impressed. Probably hands down my favorite one. Oh, with the exception of, no, this is number 1, and the second is Love Yourself. That was stunning too. I love it. I love how they do colors and then very black and white, and then colors again, and then black and white again. And just a few pages, blank pages. And now this one, the reason that it looks like this, so it's supposed to be like this. It's not broken. There's no glue here. The reason being is I believe this side, you are encouraged, or you can tear it off and use it in any way that you want. This one says, life goes on like an echo in the forest, like an arrow in the blue sky. So you can tear this off. It's designed to do that. That's why there's nothing on the other side. Let's show this again. So this is very similar to the poster that we got. So the reason that I was willing to pay $100 and more for this album, by the way, if you buy on Weverse, it is cheaper, but they don't ship in Australia. So the reason I wanted this really is because of this feature that they added, because I would like to put this in my planner. And that is where all this is gonna go. If you're new to my channel, this is a planning channel with a little bit of K-pop. Oh, you all gonna be in my planner. I'm gonna cut this up and put it in my planner little by little. Oh, and so this is a surprise because none of the materials for this photo book actually hinted on this particular styling, because this is like animal print. So you got your unit ones. This one has the most swag. And then there's gonna be a boom photo, and it's this one. Oh man, yes. The lines created by the members for this photo is just stunning. Their photographer is just really good. Almost done, guys. And that is the last one. So that is I'm very satisfied with this purchase. This is the most expensive one album I have ever gotten from them, because the Season's Greetings is not an album, but that one is very expensive as well. So I am very, very happy with this. If you are saving up for this, please do. You don't want to miss this one. This one is particularly nice. And if you live in Brisbane, JB Hi-Fi should have, all JB Hi-Fi should have this in multiple units, so you can just call them and ask them to reserve one for you so you can just pick it up. But be mindful when you go to JB Hi-Fi to check the spine, because I didn't do that. I used to do that. I mean, I have always done that with the exception of this, but you know, this is just a box and I'm not very particularly upset about it. A little sad, but not particularly upset. That's it for us today. I hope you guys find inspiration to purchase this album. So just look around to see the best option for you, because $100 is a little bit expensive. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!